Hello, this is Jason, and I'm at the Marriott Marquis, Queens Park, and gonna go inside to have a dinner buffet style at the Goji Kitchen here at the Bangkok Marriott Marquis. So let's go check it out. All right, very fancy. Very, very fancy. And I'm using the Eat-I-Go app again. I made a reservation for like 50% off or something, the buffet. Oh, where is it though? Here it is. Goji Kitchen. Hello, I have a reservation.
Under the name, sir?
Jason Phillips.
Jason Phillips?
Yes.
So you book by Eatigo?
Yes.
So I would like to inform the price showing on the website, not include back and service charge.
What's the price?
The pricing show you on the website Eatigo, not include back and service charge.
Well, how much is it?
So for the net price is 1,284 baht net for one person.
Okay.
This one for the net price already.
Is that the discounted price?
It's already
Okay. That's fine. Okay. So I just get the plates up here at the. Okay. Thank you. Let's have a look. See. Some beef noodle soup. Papaya salad. Might have one of them sometime. Beef. Corn soup, potato and leek soup. Oh man, some more meats over here. Meat and potatoes. Strip loin. Wagyu rump. Yes, please. Let me get a plate. Can I get some Wagyu? Can I get some of these? Thank you. Salmon, mussels, green beans. Try a little mashed potatoes. Roasted potato. Horseradish sauce. Pork ribs, duck breast. Beef stew. chopsticks just in case. And remember where I was sitting. Water. I guess I got everything I need. Oh. A lot of meat. That's really good. Super good. Roasted potatoes a little underwhelming. Spinach is good. There's cheese. There's a big old hunk of cheese. Wow. That's really good. Divine. First plate done. Not eating that other roasted potato. It wasn't very good. First one. All right. Round two. All right, plate two. Pizza, pasta, some more steak, some beef roast, green beans, some more of that spinach stuff. That was that good, dude. Do it again. Kind of like a spinach dip. Let's try the green beans. Very fresh. All the meat is really good, tender. Let's try the pasta. There's some little shrimps in it, some tomatoes, Parmesan cheese. That's good. Some sliced up garlic. You get 1,300 baht is $41. So that's how much this buffet cost. I was expecting it to be like $30. But I already came here, so I said, whatever, I'll still get it. What are you gonna do? This is some top-notch food, though. Especially good selection of meats. All right, this is delightful. Plate full of sushi. Big old thing of wasabi. Set up in soy sauce. We got a wide variety here. Very good. Thank you. Very good.
Really? I'm
Yeah.
glad to hear that. Would you like some drink maybe?
Yep, like you have Coke or Pepsi?
Oh, yes, of course we have. But it's gonna be extra charge.
What's included?
Just only hot coffee and hot tea.
I'll have tea.
Tea, right?
Yeah.
I'll bring here.
Thank you. This is great. I love sushi so much.
Would you like
Thank
some
you.
sugar?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Please enjoy your tea.
Thank you.
So how was your dinner? Is everything?
Very good, very good. All right. Got some sweets. Got some cheese and nuts. These are all the little things that you miss. You gotta pay a lot to get them. Cheese, good steaks. Good sushi. These things don't come cheap. Cheesecake. Creme brulee. Some kind of caramel thing. Excellent. Everything's very good.
Really? I'm glad to hear that.
Very good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. She sounds surprised. I'm full. Doesn't mean I'm gonna stop. You have to get your money's worth and eat until you hit yourself. All right, well that's all I got from the Goji Kitchen Bar buffet at the Bangkok Marriott Marquis, Queen's Park. It was very delicious. It's gonna be 1,300 baht, which is about $41. So it's pretty pricey, but quality stuff. So I think it's worth it. You'll get stuffed. I think getting stuffed for $41 on high quality food is worth it. So I hope you enjoyed this one. And that's all I got for now. So talk to you later. Take it easy.
Don't even think about it.